The second edition of the Latin America Region Special section features a collection of 18 different articles capturing the unique diversity of research happening in the region. Unlike previous region special sections, this edition took a more topical approach with articles organized into 5 distinct categories.
When we were putting up this special session, we didn't favor a specific area or topic. We just were looking for the best papers.
It was really hard to narrow down the list of articles. We had to consider research contribution in terms of depth, in terms of impact to the research community, but we also wanted to have local specificity. We wanted the section to talk about things that perhaps you wouldn't read about if we were discussing other regions.
In the section in social media, there is a very interesting study on WhatsApp and Telegram and how misinformation spread during the Brazilian elections. So I found this fascinating, and one of the most interesting things is that research led to changes in policy and how WhatsApp allows users to share its information.
And we have one short paper talking about how you apply smart farming ideas using low-cost devices and high-tech approaches to help small farmers have a better productivity in their agricultural work.
There are quite a few that I liked particularly that I want to just mention. One of them was the role of computing in the study of Latin American cultural heritage. And that work is really nice because it shows some of the advancements in terms of deep learning, in terms of vision, and how they have to be adapted to be able to restore damaged archaeological objects in Peru. So I think it's a really nice combination of state-of-the-art AI and cultural heritage.
Another work that I found quite timely is research on how to study bias in large language models and how to make them more fair, but study especially social biases. And in particular, the nice thing about this work is that it considers the differences in language, for example, for Spanish from English. So Spanish has more gendered terms than English. It's not as neutral.
Then we have 5 very good papers around education. We have 2 papers from Brazil and Argentina talking about how we take computer science education to everybody, everywhere, in all educational levels. And then another paper on how you improve tutor-student interactions in online digital learning.
Another one that I like a lot is the one that presents an open source forensic genetics software for judicial cooperation. So that software developed in Argentina, and it's a really nice project because it develops an open source piece of software where it's transparent how genetic profiles are compared, and this is important if you do judicial cooperation. And this is really impactful work that's used all over Argentina now by the National Supreme Court.
What I would highlight is how important it is to have regional research, because the only people that will understand well what are the main problems that the regions are facing are researchers that are currently based there.
Learn more in the August 2024 communications of the ACM Latin America Region Special section.